I thought gonna be inside the sauna. You know, you can do that as a chair also. Yeah, I think it's nice inside the sauna. Okay. So, mother, ano ba? Okay ba? Alisin mo lahat yan? Pabayaan mo na. Are you gonna fill this up or grandma need to waste her time?
Tell Grandma, please, if she could do all that, cut those out.
Oh, yeah.
Because what I'm going to do is I'm going to, remember like that fire pit?
Ah, okay.
I'm going to put the rock around.
Gaganuin, so another fire pit like that? Okay.
And then I'm going to put the black mat down and put the gravel on top.
And then you're gonna put another fire?
Right here, yeah.
Oh.
I'm going to buy a solo.
A sol. Okay, okay, nice. I like that. Oh, yeah, I like the way you did this one. Yep, I like this.
Yeah, I just had them on them hot over there, right?
Yep.
So that works out.
Nice.
So yeah, so I'm going to, and then I'm going to kind of route. Oh man, that could be.
Wow. Mother, di ka naglagay ng apoy para mamatay itong mga to.
Those little gnats.
Mga usok. Yeah. Di ka nag-aapoy? Wala? Oo, para yung mga usok. Hindi ka nilalamok? Can we do a fire here? No.
Yeah, that's where I'm going to put one.
No, right now.
Oh, to burn it? Oh,
Yeah.
But if she wants
Pwede
to
daw.
these things, I can just do that, right?
Pwede daw dito, yeah.
Just throw it over. Because where I threw all the other stuff, remember those trees?
Yeah.
Piled it all there with the excavators, and then it'll kind of,
Pwede daw dito, mother, sa gitna.
but if she wants to do a fire here,
Yeah.
oh yeah.
Yeah.
It's burnt. But it's almost might be easier for her to just throw it off the side.
No, because there's a lot of bugs.
Oh yeah. Yeah, we don't have a wind. As soon as we get a wind.
I know.
And we get a big freeze and we do it.
Yikes. Ang dami naman yung bug na yan. Yeah, Jake doesn't like those kind of bug.
I don't like it either. And then if you wear a hat, like I said, Lathan, you have baseball hats,
Yeah,
and they bite you right across the...
the face. Yeah, this is really nice. Hello. Try lang dito. Ayan. Ay, Diyos ko, ang dami lamok. Ayan, yeah. Yeah. Ang dami lamok. Share muna. Anong balita? Ayun. Dito muna tayo. So, ang daming lamok. Naol. Ano naman naol dyan? So, grabe, uy. Yeah. So, anong balita? Share muna. Sandali lang to, ngangay, see. So, ay, Diyos ko.